Superman. All right. Hi. Say hi to all the guests. Yeah. This guy is passed out over here. And Dracula traveled to get here. Here, Mace. Superman, you want more treats? Huh? Don't take my fingers off. All right, guys. All right, it's coming. He'll eat your fingers off. Yeah, Dracula traveled miles to get here today. Here, Mace. Let's brush Superman. Superman loves brush too, yes. Oh, he's so handsome. Look at this guy. Look at this man. You want more treats, don't you? Yes, you do. All right, Mason's trying to get everything out of the bag here. All right. I don't know what it is about these treats. Here. I never go live anymore. I'm sorry. I just been like caught up in a lot. I will promise to go live more. There you go. All right. Let's see how the guests are making out here. This guy's drunk over here. We got the party horns going. Got the rock and roll going. And where's Superman? Superman's still looking to eat. Oh, what a nice boy. Look at this boy. I don't have any more chicken. Alright, guys. We're not going to stay on too long because it's kind of hard to keep them occupied here. Right? It's kind of hard to be occupied. Alright, so let's say happy birthday to this little man here. He's a good guy, right? You're a good man? Yes. Mason, of course, has to be the center of attention. Alright, guys. We are going to go. So we're going to say goodnight now and calm the party down. And everybody's going to head on out. Right? And these guys are fighting for the treats now. Everybody say happy birthday. Thank you. Say thank you for the happy birthdays. Oh, say thank you for all the birthdays. Thanks for tuning in, guys, for Superman's birthday, and we'll see you soon. Superman. All right.